everyone, Ramadan Kareem. I hope you are doing well and you are, let's say, you are happy with this confinement we are living these days, okay? So in this video, I'm going to talk about expressing the degrees of certainty in the present time affirmative, okay? I'm going to give you 3 sentences, okay? And through these sentences, we are going to deduce which difference or the difference between them, okay, or the difference between each model, okay. So the first is Ayub is happy, okay. The second is Ayub must be happy. The second is Ayub may or might or could be happy. Make sure that may and might and could have the same meaning when they are used to express the degrees of certainty, okay? If you realize in the first sentence, I don't use the model. Why? I use automatically the verb because I am 100% sure of something, okay? Because expressing degrees of certainty is how sure we are, for example, that something will happen or won't, okay? So in the first sentence, Ayub is happy, okay? I didn't use the model. Why? Because I am 100%, okay? So when we are 100% sure, we don't have to use a model, okay? So the second is Ayub must be happy. We use must. Must, it expresses a stronger degree, but it is less than 100%. Okay, it is less than 100%. You can say 95. Okay, 96, like this. Okay, Ayub must be happy. Why? Because this is the only possibility I can think of. Okay, means that the speaker cannot think or guess of other possibility. For example, Ayub must be happy, and I'm going to justify. Why? Because, for example, his father has bought a bicycle for him. Okay. For example, let's say 10 days ago or the week ago, I stayed with Ayub, and he told me that I will be, for example, happy, or I will be glad if my father has bought a bicycle for me, okay? And let's say after a week, okay, let's say that I have met with Ayub, and his appearances have shown that really he is happy, okay? But I am not, let's say, I'm not sure, I am not 100% sure. So the speaker, when must it is used in this case to express degrees of certainty, the speaker who is stating something, okay, he cannot talk or he cannot guess of any other possibility, which means that the only reason that may or must make Ayub happy is the buying or the purchasing of the bicycle by his father, okay? And the third sentence is Ayub may or might or could be happy, okay? May and could and might express, let's say, 100% of degree, okay? Means that the speaker is just guessing. The speaker is not sure, means that it is the opposite of must. Must, the speaker cannot add other possibilities. But when we use can or could or might, the speaker can add many other probabilities or other possibilities. Why? Because Ayub may or might or could be happy, okay? But he might be pretentious, okay? Or he might pretend, because many people are just pretending to be happy, but they are in the, let's say, in reality they are not, okay? And we have this kind of people in our community, okay? So when we are 100% about something that is 100% sure, we don't have to use any model, okay? But must, it is stronger, okay? but it is less than 100%. It means that the speaker who is stating something or an event, okay, he is not 100% sure, okay, but he cannot think of any other possibility, okay. So, and the third sentence is Ayub may or might or could be happy. Means that the speaker can add other many possibilities, and pay attention that can is not used in this case to express the degree of certainty in the present time in affirmative, okay. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to share it with your friends, subscribe, and goodbye.